Historic day in the precious metal sectors. Gold, new all-time high. Monster rally in silver. Money's going to be made. The trades are setting up. What to do next. How to play the precious metal sectors. And the big next hot trade among the precious metals. You have to be in this one.
Welcome to Hot Trades of the Day, your show for swing trading ideas for the coming days, weeks and month.
What a day it was yesterday. Crazy market action in all the good ways. Gold going up, silver ripping, short squeeze. Man, that destroyed some hedge funds, that's for sure. Breaking out of the triangle formation, we're getting right into the charts. This is the silver price. I've been talking about the triangle formation forever. You're familiar with it. We talked about it. We're long silver. We've been long silver forever. And yesterday we started, and this is the important word, we started to get rewarded for it. This is just the beginning. Now, is it a possibility for a short-term correction? Absolutely. Is that a buying opportunity? Absolutely. Every weakness now is a buying opportunity, because we broke out of this triangle to the upside. If we look at gold, we made a new all-time high on the close. Fantastic. Let me make this a little bigger. Here we go. However, we have not confirmed the breakout yet. This is important. We have not confirmed the breakout yet. We need to wait for this. Gold is going to go up. The real action, obviously, is in the miners, especially silver miners, who have the biggest catch-up potential of all of them, because silver hasn't moved as much as gold has, and therefore the silver miners haven't nearly moved at all. As you can see, yesterday we had the first big up move. There's a lot of room left here. Look at the silver miners. Now, before I talk about the next hot trade in the precious metal sectors, and you need to see this one, I would like to show you the dollar though, because the dollar is doing something that nobody expected, including myself. It's strengthening, and it is about to break the downtrend today. We really need to watch this on the close of the market. If it breaks the downtrend, the dollar is going to go higher fast. And that would obviously put the brakes on gold and silver, and that could lead short term, I'm talking about short term, to a nasty bull trap in gold, where we had the all-time high and the close above the old all-time highs, and then we get the bull trap. All the retail investors are buying like crazy. We get the bull trap, and then we're going to go back and have a correction. Right? Same with silver. We go up. All the retail is jumping on board. Yeah, going to the moon, and then we're going to have a correction. Retest the downtrend successfully, and then we're going to go up. This is a real possibility if the dollar keeps going up. So you need to keep an eye on the dollar development. This is huge. This is huge, and nobody's talking about this now. Now, let me take you to the next hot precious metal trade that nobody's talking about right now, that you need to have on your watch list. Palladium. Look at this rip on Palladium in the past 3 days, basically out of nowhere. This is wild. And if I zoom out, then you see how big this rip is. Ladies and gentlemen, Palladium has broken the long-term downtrend from 2021. Yesterday, And if today's candle holds up, it will have confirmed the breakdown. Now we still have this midterm secondary downtrend that stopped the last breakout attempt and turned it into a bull trap, right? But boy, oh boy, things at Palladium are heating up. Palladium has massive, I mean massive catch-up potential, even bigger than silver. Look at this. We're at all-time highs in gold. We haven't even sniffed the highs from May 2024 in Palladium. I'm not even talking about these highs here from 2021. Massive catch-up potential in Palladium. Now, if the dollar keeps going higher, we see weakness in gold and silver, it is likely that we will bounce off this secondary midterm downtrend, retest the broken uptrend, and this will be the kicker. Because if we confirm here, we do something that we didn't do here, that we didn't do here, here, and here. And that is the signal. That is the signal that we, by the way, if I draw this in, we will also be testing the short-term uptrend. That'll be the signal that things are changing in platinum and that we need to put on a long swing trade in platinum, because this is a significant development. Nobody's talking about it. When we are talking that nobody is invested in gold and in silver, when it comes to the institutions, even less people are invested in the much smaller platinum market. So put platinum on the top of your watch list. Weakness, we talked about it, test of the downtrend, successful swing. That is our signal. Let me show you the chart again. So if we get the retest here in this area, which by the way now is a double support, right? We have the downtrend and we have the uptrend. Double support, which makes it stronger, and the percentage is higher. That'll be successful. Excellent for us. So we test it, we turn around. That way we won't be able to get in at the super bottom, but the percentages are much higher that we're going to be in a successful new long swing trade. That is the story for platinum. Now, obviously, what's the story with palladium? What's going on here? It's looking good. Look at this. My hot trade for 2024 in the commodity, 2025 in the commodity sector, it's looking good, right? We're still in the bottom forming process. So that means the majority of the people haven't even bought in yet. That is excellent. So we are good here. Man, things are heating up in the precious metal sector. This is going to be a spectacular month of February. What we saw yesterday in silver and the silver stocks and the gold mining stocks, that gives you an indication of what's going to happen when the precious metals start to run. And again, I reiterate, the institutions are still massively underinvested. Hedge funds massively underinvested in gold and silver. There's so much money that will flow into the precious metals, especially if we continue to see the sideways chop volatile stock market where the money is going to look for strong trends, strong uptrends, and they find it in the precious metals, which are also safer. That's where we're going to see the real inflows. And again, if you want to get a higher performance, you go from gold to silver and platinum, palladium. and you go from the metals to the miners. And then from the senior miners to the junior miners. Explorers, yeah, they're moving, obviously, because everything is moving. But it's not the euphoric time to shine for the explorers. Well, Wilhelmi, when will that time come? Because that's when we know that the real crazy times are coming. The explorers move last, right? But we're in the early cycle of the mining rally. And in the early cycle, the seniors move first. They already did that. Then the juniors, which are just starting to catch up. And then come the explorers. And the explorers is all retail institutions can invest in it. They're too small. So where are the retail investors that we need to get the explorers thing going? Well, they're still in crypto, right? They're still in crypto and YOLOing around with the meme coins. So once that dries up, and once these investors start to realize, oh, there's a new hot party going on that I need to go to. It's DJ Gold and MC Silver spinning at this new club called the Explorer Companies. That's where I need to go. That's when you know the Explorer party is on. And then we can make money there. That's fine. It's not my world. I would trade them. I own very, very few Explorers personally. But there's going to be a crazy rally coming. I mean, that's a given. Just look at what the retail investors have done in the past 2-3 years with the high-tech stocks from quantum computing, obviously through crypto, through AI. If we transfer that to the precious metals in the commodity sector, and this will happen, this will come. And we have seen it with uranium stocks, which is majority retail. What's happening when there is a bull run happening in uranium? Golden times are coming for the precious metals sector and the investors. I've been telling you for a month. The reason why I'm focusing on this is because that's the easy money. Why should I go to other sectors of the market and with really complicated situations, and now the I trade is getting even more complicated, when I can make easy money? And we have been making easy money in the precious metal sector. And the beauty of it is, it's just starting to heat up. Have a great week then. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.